Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and welcome. I appreciate your time in this channel. So today I'm just going to be doing this and that. I'm going to collect my medication also, and I'll be unboxing my new appliance. Guys, I'm so excited. And this water you saw me, I went to fetch it at my sister's place, the one who gave me that appliance that I'm going to unbox with you guys. So I went there to collect 5 containers. These are 20 liters containers of storage. So meaning I went there to collect 100 liters of water. They have a huge tank. They have a running water over the weekend. So yeah, it's not a struggle. I will always go there.
Sitting on the beach, feet buried in the sand, I can see your smile as the sun greets the land. When it kisses the waves and makes the ocean bright, as the darkness fades, I see hope in the light. As the sun begins to rise, the sky turns orange and blue as brightness joins.
I do come here every month. This is for the 3rd month coming here to collect my prescription. You know, guys, I've been treating my blood pressure and I haven't checked it so far, so I need to go and check it before my period of prescription expires, because I also need to draw some blood, just to do some blood tests to see if they are really suitable for my system, to see other things that needed to be checked.
Darkness, I'm reminded of you, where sorrow meets joy, and chaos and peace collide. Even though you're not here, I know you're by my side. As the crowds pass by, I know you're still around. You're playing in the water and building castles in the sand. I hope you're happy up there, living in your handmade tower, 'cause I can't wait to reunite, so we can while away the hours. We'll watch the sunrise, and when it hugs the shore, we'll run into the ocean and enjoy its warmth. We'll build castles and explore.
During my lunch hour, I went and was craving for chicken livers because it's been long and I wanted to just have them today. So I went and bought them. This was 500 gram and it was costing at 15 rands. I am trying to be lower on a budget and not spending a lot of money. So I also got this muffins that they love so much, so I'm gonna cook them for dinner.
The sea, but until then, I'll see you in my dream. We'll watch the sunrise, and when it hugs the shore, we'll run into the ocean and enjoy its warmth. We'll build castles and explore the sea, but until then, I'll see you in my
They were still having a little bit of ice, but it was not that hectic. It was not that solid. So I was just checking if the gall is out, because you cannot stand the bitterness of that substance. So my recipe is gonna be simple. I'm just gonna fry onions, put in the livers. I'm not gonna fry them too much. I don't want them to be dry, and I'll put in some flavors, my spices according to the way I will love them. And the oil was a bit over. This is what I have used in my chicken livers to give it a taste that I want.
Filled up my tank last week and it cost me barely at the machine. Swiped another 40. Driving around town to get all my thoughts out. Clearing my head needs an hour past sundown. Slipping away down the interstate. Couldn't tell you my ETA. Well, that's okay.
Guys, I am now a new owner of this toaster, and I didn't buy it. To be honest, I didn't buy it. They bought it and it ended up in my house. This was for my sister, the one who bought me an iron, and she realized that she won't be using it as of now. She'll be needing it maybe for next year. She has sent me to buy this one and the one that is flipping, the standing up toaster. Then she wanted to use the one that is flipping the bread more often than this one, so she ended up giving it to me. It is still new. It was on special. It was 250 gold links. And yeah, now I have a toaster and it is compatible for my system. It is a 750 watts. You know, we calculate energy in this house, and I am so happy. My kids are happy that I'm gonna have toasted bread, the toasted sandwich. So Lena, I am so happy to have her in my life. She is like blessing me with everything. She's blessing me with a lot of stuff, beautiful ones, new things for that matter. So I am so happy that I am now having this appliance that I can use, and my kids also are happy for it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.